Hi friends. So today's topic would be about strategic management. The video will cover the basics about what strategic management is, what is its effective role in an organization, how companies implement different kind of strategies, in what way it becomes decisive in companies' success or failures. So we'll start with the definition of strategy. Strategy is nothing but the different path or approaches that is available to the organization's top management, who predominantly take the decisions about the company's forecasted goals and objectives and their vision of how the company is going to be projected to its customers in the future timeline. For this, the first part is strategy formulation. The companies identify the requirements and the needs of the customers in relation to their existing products. The companies are able to identify and find an opportunity for their products and services to be pushed across to their customers. Once this is identified, companies try to vision or visualize themselves in a future time period where they try to establish their presence in a quantitative manner. Estimates or forecast or the company's prediction of the demand for its products and services in the future time period. So once the companies have identified this, they try to do it from a two perspective point. First, they try to analyze about their strengths and weaknesses. Secondly, they try to scout or analyze the existing environmental scenarios where the company is established. So this two-way approaches. One is they try to look upon themselves internally. The second is they try to analyze their standpoint from the external factors perspective. So when we talk about the internal perspective, companies will have their own strengths and weaknesses. They can identify the opportunities or the threats they would probably face from the competitors in the given market to fight for their customers. If they are able to identify the opportunities in a successful way, they can tap into a potential market of customers who would be exclusively loyal to them. For this, they should be capable of propagating the brand in such a way that it is streamlined in a positive manner to their customers. Definitely, companies try to camouflage their weaknesses in front of their customers. This can be done in many ways. We'll try to analyze in the future videos how companies try to project their strengths and camouflage or not to disclose their weaknesses. So this is the internal part of strategic formulation, and then comes the external part of formulation, which is scouting the environment for situations that would be influencing the decisions the top management would be taking in the company. Various factors come into the picture, such as the rules and regulations, the policy framework of the government. Various factors come into the picture, the competitors, the stakeholders for the company, the customers, what kind of customers are they loyal to the company, what is the product they are serving to the customers, what is the industry trend, how is the technology influential in the product, how long is the product cycle. So all this becomes factors which is integrated with the external variables. Once companies identify the external variables, they arrive at a point where they do an estimation or future projected forecasted figure or quantitative number where they try to establish themselves in the future period. So for the company to reach or attain this particular forecasted demand or forecasted number or sales figure, company goes about identifying different paths or different alternatives to achieve it. The different paths that is available to the company to achieve this set target is called a strategy. So the company decides the strategy based on all these factors. They choose a particular strategy and try to implement it on the field. It depends upon what is the strategy and how successfully they implement it on the field. The company is going to be successful in achieving the target. So basically what we understand is strategy is nothing but, in simple terms, it is nothing but the different alternatives or paths that is available for any company for it to reach the already defined targets. In the future videos, we will be going in depth, understanding how strategy is influencing the company's success, the company's culture, and the company's position or presence in the market among the customers and against the competitors. Do subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos, more engaging videos. Do share your comments, share some love with your likes. Do let us know your opinions and what you would like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.